Guys, Eddie from Harlembling. This is going to be a really fun giveaway contest. Whether you're watching this video right now, October 2023, or whether you watch this video in year 2030. What's special about this is a lot of these giveaways are good for 24, 48 hours. You stumble upon them in a few years, you cannot play. This one, no matter when you're watching, and whether you bought something from me or from another company, you can enter to win. All it will take is a GRA certificate and a dice. We're going to roll it on camera and I'm going to explain to you. But first, I want all of you, hit the subscribe button, show the channel some support, share this video with everybody that you know that ever purchased Moissanite because they can win as well. Before we get into it, what is a GRA certificate? GRA is a grading company for Moissanite, and a lot of you guys that ever bought Moissanite, your purchase came with something like this. I have a love-hate relationship with these cards. The reason is because, number one, there's a lot of legitimate companies that sell Moissanite that it does not come with these cards. And they sell real Moissanite. On the contrary, there's a lot of fake Moissanite that comes with this card. This card should not tell you that a Moissanite is real. Same as a fake Chanel bag will come with a certificate of authenticity, and there's people selling clone watches with Rolex authenticity cards. This does not tell you that your jewelry is real, because the fraudsters, the drop shippers, Alibaba, AliExpress, and all of the guys in America that don't actually have merchandise, they just drop ship it from China, are scamming. When you get your piece of jewelry, don't worry about the certificate. Toss it to the side. You have to use your eyes, and you have to use a simple diamond tester. You diamond test your piece. If it passes the diamond tester, most likely it's Moissanite or diamonds. The most important part, though, is not even this diamond tester. It's your eyes. You have to look at the stone. Good quality Moissanite will not give off a yellowish, bluish tint. I see so many people comment below if that happened to you that bought from another company. Especially it happens with tennis chains. And you guys got it for half the price. When you get it, it looks bluish gray. It looks fake because it's very low quality stones. Have you noticed how in these certificates, the stones are always D-color VVS? You never see it say E, F, G, Y, Z color. Everybody DVVS. At Harlembling, we sell actual D-color VVS1 Moissanite. I cannot say that about a lot of other companies. And I've actually seen great Moissanite that does not come with a card like this. So the card should not be the most important thing when making a purchase. We've been in business for 10 years. We've been selling Moissanite for 5 years. I've seen it all, because we are probably the largest Moissanite buyer and seller in America. We're able to get the best quality Moissanite for the price. Will you find cheaper? Yes, but the quality will not be the same. The sellers will come up with fancy names, fancy cuts for the stones. The quality is going to be shit. It's going to be blue stones. Don't take my word for it, but I know a thing or two about Moissanite. So let's get to the contest. I think that's what everybody is waiting for. On the back of the certificate and on the card is a 9-digit number. That is the serial number that could be found on the GRA website. We're going to roll this dice 6 times. We're going to get a 6-digit number. If your number matches the certificate, whether it's the first 6 digits, whether it's the last 6 digits, or the digits in the middle, as long as it's in the same sequence. So for instance, this certificate, if it would be 808 6, 7, you would win. As long as that 6-digit number is inside the certificate, you win a $500 gift card to Harlembling. Best part is you did not have to get this from us. You could have bought this from another company as long as the certificate is real. I know. I'm not going to tell you guys because I do not want Chinese competitors copying these certificates. That's why I will not tell you the secret, but I know how to check this, if it's real or it is fake. You will mail me the certificate. If it's a real certificate, you get a $500 gift card to Harlembling. Let's roll the dice. First number, 3, followed by 5. Third number is a 1, followed by a 3, 3 again, and the last number is a 1.